Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing the turn signal switch in a 2017 Ram. First you'll need to remove these 3 screws. You'll need a size 20 Torx screwdriver. Now that the screws are removed, we can separate and remove the plastic housing from the top and bottom.
Yeah, get a little zoom.
No, I'm not pimping myself out.
Why not?
Disconnect the electric. Now you just need to push back on this plastic clip and lift up. Slide your new switch in. Reconnect your wire. Reinstall your plastic housing and you're all done.